Why?
Hamas,
So why are you
the
killing
places
innocent
they're sending
civilians?
Rockets on us.
So why are you killing innocent civilians?
Do you think they're innocent? They kidnapped people from that party in the 7th of October. So don't fucking play
Five-year-olds,
dumb.
five-year-olds,
Alright?
five-year-olds went into Gaza
I'm not talking about them.
Half of the 20,000 are the average age is 5. Half of them are kids.
All right, wait. When did you get that? When did you?
I've been
from
saying
internet?
this from the Euromed Human Rights Monitor.
Oh, sure, dude. All right.
The UN, the UN.
The UN.
Yeah.
So you look at the UN, and then that's your thing, and that's your opinion.
They're the ones that gave you the land, right?
You don't know how to do research.
You
don't know how to do research.
Did you not just tell me earlier that you don't do any research?
I did not do research, but if that's your research,
Dude, you didn't do research. You just admitted to it.